Just a really quick video showing actually the brightness difference between different Apple devices, and also more importantly showing just how much darker the screen becomes when you add a screen protector. So we have mostly a white screen on all of them. You can see just how bright the iPhone is, and you can see that the Air looks brighter than the Mini. Also just to show the home screen, so you can see just how drastic the difference is. So I've got, actually, let's just make sure we've got full brightness on everything. Had full brightness on, then Apple decided to change it. Thank you, Apple. Okay, let's just do that one more time. Refresh. Okay, so you can see what the difference looks like. And there's also this slight moire effect, which you can't see in person, but you do see quite a reduction in quality, the screen quality. So we can focus. Go back to the home screen. Hang on a sec. So if I zoom in on an icon, you can see that it looks grainy, almost like there's a texture applied to the screen, which I guess there is, since this is a I can't remember the exact model. It's a competitor to PaperLike, and PaperLike, from what I can see in reviews, suffers from similar problems. You do get much nicer feel. You don't get as many fingerprints, and it's much nicer to use the pencil on, of course, but there are disadvantages. So this is what it looks like with the screen protector applied. Now I'm going to peel it off, and you can see just how much brighter and clearer the screen gets. So we can grab it on the corner. And the reason I'm doing this is because it really became less pleasant to use ever since I've put the screen protector on. I just find myself not using the iPad as much, which is a shame, really. And you can just see what the texture looks like. Let me just go back to the home screen so you can see just how much brighter it got after I removed the screen protector. But yes, if you look at the screen protector itself, you can see that it's sort of an opaque color. It adds a bit of a texture. So they're good for what they are. There are advantages for sure, but the biggest change for me was taking the iPad mini outside in direct sunlight, and it's significantly darker. Just make sure we've got the brightness set to max. Also make sure that we don't have, no true tone. So this is as bright as it can go. And you can see now the brightness is pretty evenly matched between the iPads. The iPhone is still significantly brighter. In fact, the Mini looks just a tiny bit brighter, perhaps. So there you go. But with the screen protector on, you can tell just how much darker it is. So just bear that in mind. Again, if your top priority is writing comfort, this does make a difference. It is nicer to write on. But to be honest, I'd rather just get used to writing on glass. It may not be perfect, but unless you are doing this for many hours per day, it's the disadvantages for me are just not worth suffering through. Thank you for watching.